Hello and welcome back to our channel. We usually throw onion skins in the trash. At best they are composted. What a waste, because the dry peel and outer skins contain a particularly large amount of healthy substances, and you can recycle them quite easily. Countless tons of onion waste accumulate in the USA every year, a mountain of waste that would probably be much smaller if people knew what they were throwing away. You'll know better after watching this video, so please stay tuned. Please take a second to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more beneficial videos coming soon. The onion skin and the outer skin layers of the onion conceal dietary fibers that, when consumed in sufficient quantities, are said to reduce the incidence of heart disease, diabetes, colon cancer, and obesity. In addition, flavonoids, which are also said to have vascular-protective and cancer-preventing effects, and other healthy substances. Below we show you 5 great uses. Number 1. Add onion peel to your soup. A good way to use onion peel together with its healthy ingredients is to add it to soup. Simply use washed onion peels, we are recommending organic onions, to the water when you make soup and fish them out again at the end. The onion peel is not only healthy, but also enhances the taste and gives soups in particular an appealing color. Number 2. Dye your hair naturally. You can use onion skins to dye your hair naturally. And you can do it without any nasty chemicals. Just take about a handful of peels from a brown onion and cover them with half a liter of water. It's best to use mineral water. Then bring the mixture to a boil, simmer for 5 minutes and let cool. Now just filter it. Put the tint in your hair after you wash it and leave it for some time. The recommendations vary from 30 minutes to an hour. Repeat this process until you achieve the desired red-brown color intensity. The tint will last for about 6 to 8 hair washes. 3. Dye Easter eggs naturally. The shiny colors of supermarket Easter eggs not only look unnatural, they are also unhealthy. But it's not hard at all to avoid the artificial dyes. Onion skins, for example, make a beautiful, natural golden brown. 4. Onion tea against colds. This tip is not just about using onion skins alone, but a whole onion, including the skin. Onion tea is suitable as a home remedy for treating a stuck cough because of its expectorant and antibacterial properties. Simply slice an onion with peel and boil it in about half a liter of water for at least 5 minutes. Drain onion tea and drink it in small sips while as hot as possible. Sweeten slightly if needed. 5. Onion skin decoction makes plants healthy. Onion peels can also be useful in the garden and for houseplants. Simply pour about 10 grams of onion peels with a liter of hot water, let cool and sift. Then it's time to water plants. The onion peel tea provides them with nutrition and prevents mold. Did you know about these tricks? Let us know in the comments below. We're looking forward to seeing you soon again.